There's a farm in south central Minnesota where people are thankful for farming and faith. At the Good Courage Farm near Hutchinson, they grow and give away 14 perennial crops, including apples, pears, and other fruits, along with chickens and ducks. They distribute produce and eggs through the First Nations Kitchen in Minneapolis. They also have an agrarian ministry. Good Courage priest and farmer Carrie Meyer says the name comes from what farmers need every day. The farm is affiliated with the Episcopal Church and is largely run by volunteers. A red barn and silo serve as a worship place.
And our purpose is to offer space for people to engage in their Christian practice at the intersection of food and farming and faith.
Meyer says they gather for worship throughout the growing season, and on Wednesdays they have pie and prayer, with pies made with fruit from the farm. She says they draw people from the region, including the Twin Cities, and travelers who stop as they are passing through. Thanks for watching AgweekTV on YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday.